So here we are in the 2D trophy. What we're going to look at is number 11, 12, and 13. We're going to go ahead and open up number 12 because 11 and 12 are the same thing. One is just slower and one is faster. So we're going to look at number 12. What you see is, the first note you see is an E, and then you're going to play a D, and then you're going to play a C. These two notes right here, you already know they're just written differently. This is a B right below the C, and this is an A right below the B. The point of these ledger lines that you see that they are on, like C is on its own ledger line, then B drops down from the ledger line, and A is on its second ledger line. The point of these is to play the B and the A with your right hand instead of having to write them down in the left hand or the bass staff and right here. So another thing that you need to look at is the fingering. So the E, instead of playing it with the third finger, you're going to play it with a fifth finger so you can have the A position. So you can play the B and the A with your thumb, the A with your thumb, and the B with your second finger. Okay, so let's go ahead and play through this really quick just so we can see what it looks like.
1, 2, set, go.
So here's our E, D, C, B, A, B, C, and then we have our A, B, C, B, A, B, A, and finally A. Okay, so after you get the right hand down, the left hand, all it is just kind of a coordination to make it a little bit more difficult while you're reading the right hand. I'll go ahead and play it again so you can take a look. You're going to put your third finger on E and play this rhythm the whole time, switching from F to E. F, E, then you have E, D, A, E, F, F, E, and just keep switching back and forth. Try getting the right hand first and then the left hand, and then you can put them together. Now let's go ahead and look at number 13. So we were working on our ledger lines with our thumb on A, B, C, D, and E. This one we're going to be working on the opposite ledger line. So we're going to put our hands on the same notes just with our left hand now. So we have A, B, C, B, C. Those last two notes right here, this is a D and this is an E. So you're going to put your pinky on A so you can have your pointy finger and thumb on the D and the E. Let's go ahead and play through this really quick. I'm just going to play the left hand.
Set, go.
D, and of course the right hand is really easy because you just have an A right there, and that's an A, and that's an A too. Mainly the focus of 11, 12, and 13 is just to teach you the ledger lines. So some advice would be to memorize what these look like. Like when you see this note, you know, oh, I know that, that's a D with my left hand. And when you see this note, oh, I know that, that's an E with my left hand. Then of course, when you're looking at these notes, you're like, oh, obviously that's a B with my right hand, and that's an A with my right hand. So go ahead and practice this, and good luck.